We are discussing an exciting paradigm shift taking place in the tech landscape: generative AI-motivated migration from classical databases like Oracle or MS SQL to Amazon Aurora. First off, why are companies making this move? When migrating to Amazon Aurora from traditional databases, a whopping 90% of businesses have found they can successfully implement AI and machine learning use cases. But we won't sugarcoat it. There are risks associated with migration projects. Data loss, downtime, performance problems, data breaches, and business disruption can all pose significant challenges. That's where Mactores comes in. We specialize in using automation to mitigate these risks through our comprehensive database migration programs. With Mactores, you don't just get a services partner. You gain a partner committed to ensuring your transition to an Amazon Aurora database enabled with GenAI is seamless and successful. So whether you're looking to enable GenAI, integrate AI or machine learning, or gain performance, remember, a migration journey with Mactores is a journey to success. Attend our workshop to learn more about how Mactores can guide you on your database migration journey. Thank you for your time.